Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create multiple taskbar on Windows 11 PC. For this, you need to download a freeware application that is known as Linkbar. After downloading this one, right click on this one file and extract its content on your Windows PC. After that, you need to create folders for this one. So you can create folders according to your needs, how much you want to taskbar, and that much. Suppose you want to create 3 taskbar on your Windows 11 PC, you need to create 3 separate folders that I have already created. After creating it, double click on this one linkbar folder and double click on linkbar application entry. It will prompt for create a taskbar for all users or single user. I will select here single user and then click on this one triple dot icon. Then select the folder you want to use. For first taskbar, I want to use this one linkbar 1 folder. Just select it and then click on this one select folder option. Then click on this one create button. It will create a taskbar at the top of the screen. In case you want to customize it, right click on this one, select settings option. Here you will find several options in panel, items, auto hide, additional, everything. To increase the size, just move to this one items tab and set the size according to your choice, and then click the one apply and then OK button. Now this one is my first taskbar. To create next taskbar, again right click on this one taskbar only, select here new and then link bar option, and then repeat the steps and select new folder. For this one, click on this one create button. Second taskbar will be also created on the top of the screen. Just select it and move to the desired location, then increase the size according to your needs. Click apply, click OK. To create another taskbar, again right click on the link bar taskbar, select new and then link bar option. Again do the same things, select the new folder, then click on this one create button. Again select and drag it to the desired location on your PC, resize it if you want, and then now my 3 taskbar is ready. You just need to move the items you want to see in the taskbar, just like this. Select the application shortcut and move it to the desired taskbar. Like this, you can configure your Windows PC with multiple taskbar on your Windows 11 PC. And like this, you can see in my PC there are 4 taskbar available, and each taskbar has unique items on it. I can put here unique items on each taskbar and it will look more beautiful. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.